Welcome to your ROBO X1 robot by Blue Brain Robotics. This video will show you how to assemble ROBO X1. Let's get started. The contents of the product box include the base plate, battery holder and two gearboxes with motors, which are already connected to the circuit board. Place the battery box and circuit board onto the base plate. Note: the narrow space is for the battery box. Both of these components fit tightly onto the base plate and do not necessarily require to be fastened onto the plate with screws. However, if you are able to attach the components with the screws provided, please go ahead and do so at this time, or even after completing assembly. You may want to ask an adult to help you with this. Attach the gearboxes to the bottom of the base plate as shown. Note that the right gearbox is attached to MT1 or motor 1 connector, while the left gearbox is connected to MT2 or motor 2 connector. Next, assemble and attach the front wheels. To do so, attach the O-rings or tires to the wheels. Then attach the wheels to the wheel hubs. Finally, attach the hubs to the gearbox stems as shown. Now, let's install the rear swivel wheel to the underside of the base plate. Finally, let's add eyes to our bot. To do so, remove the paper backing from the googly eyes and stick them to the round eye bases. Next, attach the round eye bases to the gray T-blocks or corner blocks. Then attach the corner blocks to the front of the robot base as shown. The final step in the assembly process is inserting AA batteries into the battery holder. Make sure to place batteries with the negative or flat side facing the springs in each compartment. Check the markings in each compartment of the battery holder to ensure correct installation. Please note that wrong installation of batteries will damage your bot and may cause the circuit board to overheat. Congratulations! Your ROBO X1 bot is complete. In the next video we will explore how to operate and program ROBO X1.